Hello guys, just on the way home from picking up some scrap, which I'll show you when I get out. See, this car's for sale. Looks like around a 77. I think it's a Camaro. Let's go take a look at it. Just a second here, guys. If you'll wait patiently. Let's see to get up there. Yeah. Oh, I got license plate covers too. Looks a lot better. Okay, so the guy came out. He told me about it a bit. Has a 396. Makes 600 horsepower. It's been tubbed, so it has super wide rear tires. This is a drag car, guys. It's really rare and it's really expensive. It is for sale. I'm not going to show you guys the number because, well, he doesn't want his phone blowing up. It's as simple as that. So it's a black hood, cowl hood too. Hearse shifter, or no, that's B&M. Fire extinguisher, 5-point harnesses. Wow, this is nice. Not a GM guy, but wow, this is nice. Here's a 396 big block. Or is that small block? I think it's big block, but one of you can correct me on that. It's been built. It has a Moriso valve covers. It's got what look to be American racing wheels. Mickey Thompson tires. The exhaust dumps out right there before the tires. That looks pretty good. It's solid. Like, this car is in great shape. It's chromed out. It's got an intake for sure. Wow, those are some really thick wires. It has a 74 front end though, but it is a 72. So it's not all original. See, it's been tubbed. There's nothing, no trunk left. I'm guessing there's a fuel cell back here, and the fuel door is not there anymore. Fuel door would have been right there before. I think that's an antenna. Yeah, I think it's an antenna cord. But yeah, I don't know if you guys, this thing, I like the color of it. It's got about 600 horsepower. Is that a K&N filter too? Yep, that's a K&N air filter. Nice. Braces on the body. It's been built up so much. It looks. Once again, guys, not a GM fan, but holy, someone dumped a lot of money and time into this car. Hope you guys like seeing this stuff, because whenever I see it, I'll stop and make a video for you. Oh, and if you can tell, in the rear end, tires in the wheel well, which means it's either lowered or it has massive tires. I'm gonna go with a little bit of both, probably. Oh wait, is that American? There's a center cap on this one. That's a Trans Am hubcap, I think, or center cap. There's only one of them though. Nice. Well, guys, I think that's all for this video. I'm gonna head out now, head home. But oh yeah, before I go, I'll show you in the trunk the scrap that I got. All kinds of pop cans. It'll add up. Multiple ways of income is the best way to make money. Oh, what's going on over there? What's going on over there? You guys want to go take a look? Let's go take a look. This is a fire.